It's 2026. Stop making slides manually. AI does it for you. I tested every method and landed on 3. The third one is my favorite. Method 1, Claude Gamma. Open Gamma, select your folder and paste your prompt. I need a 10-slide PowerPoint about topic for audience. Start with Ask User Question to get full context. Then, and only then, create a .pptx. Claude creates a PowerPoint directly in your folder. There's also a Claude add-in inside PowerPoint itself. Insert, get add-ins, search Claude by Anthropic. It edits your slides from the right sidebar. The catch, Claude writes and structures well, but the visual side stays basic. Good enough for a team sync. Too flat for a client meeting. Grade, 3 out of 10. Method 2, Gamma. Go to gamma.app, free account, no credit card. Click Create New, then Generate, type your topic and who it's for. Gamma shows an outline, you tweak it, pick a theme, hit Generate. 60 seconds. Done. Beautiful layouts, AI-generated images, shareable links with analytics, and export to PowerPoint or PDF. 70 million users, 400 million presentations. Grade, 8 out of 10. The catch, the design is great, but the content is only as smart as your prompt. Vague prompt equals pretty slides that say nothing. Method 3, Claude plus Gamma. This is where I spend most of my time. Claude thinks. Gamma designs, you decide what stays and what goes. 4 steps: research, brief, generate, edit. This is how I build every presentation that actually matters. Step 1, research. Open Claude Gamma. The key instruction, do not generate slides yet. Research the topic for your success criteria. Read all files in this folder. Search the web using at least 5 varied searches: trends, data, expert opinions, case studies, counterarguments. Review the findings. Identify gaps. Search again to fill them. Save a structured research brief to research-brief.md, organized by theme, with source URLs and key data points. Prioritize 2025 to 2026 sources. Start with Ask User Question. If you have source material, drop docs, reports, and notes into the folder first. Claude reads everything. Step 2, brief. Follow up in the same chat. Read research-brief.md and turn it into a Gamma-ready outline. Write a slide-by-slide outline. Each slide gets a title, 2 to 3 key points, and specific data from the research that must appear on that slide. Keep it to the slide count you need. Do not write full paragraphs. Gamma will generate the final text. Save the outline to gammaoutline.md. Then pass the outline to Gamma using text mode generate. Step 3, Claude sends the outline to Gamma. You get a full deck backed by real data in your structure with Gamma's design. Step 4, open the Gamma link and go card by card. 3 questions for every card. Would I say this out loud? Rewrite if not. Does this card earn its place? Cut it if not. Is the data right? Verify it. 10 to 15 minutes. The hard part already happened in Claude. These 15 minutes are what separate good from great. Be great. Now the part for teams. You're at a company with brand guidelines. The goal? Set it up once, and everyone on the team makes on-brand decks forever. 2 things to build: a Gamma theme for the design and a brand rules markdown file for Claude. Step 1 for teams, create your Gamma theme. Find your existing brand template, any PowerPoint or Google Slides file with the right colors, fonts, and logo. Go to Gamma, Library, Themes, New Theme, Import Theme. Upload the file. Gamma extracts colors, fonts, and logo automatically. Set it as your workspace default. Every new Gamma now starts on brand. Step 2. Drop all your brand assets into one folder: brand guidelines, your best existing deck, tone of voice doc. Open Cowwork and prompt Claude to extract everything into a file called branddeckrules.md. Claude reads your assets and produces complete brand guidelines. Review it, save it. Step 3, open the branddeckrules.md file and add a Gamma settings block at the top: your theme name, default image style, text density, and card count. Now the file has both your visual rules and your Gamma-specific settings. Step 4, every prompt starts the same way. Read branddeckrules.md first. Create a Gamma presentation about topic for audience. Use our brand theme. Claude reads the file, applies the rules, sends it to Gamma. On brand from the first draft. Share the folder with your team. Same file, same output. New hires included. Step 5, when your brand evolves, drop the current brand file and new assets into the folder. Prompt Claude to update the file with what changed and keep everything else. Review it, save it, share it. One update. Every future deck reflects it. Set it up once. Use it forever. That is the speed of AI. Subscribe for more Claude 101.